Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into comparatives and superlatives. These are key tools for comparing and describing things in English. Let's get started. First, let's talk about comparatives. Comparatives are used to compare two things. We form comparatives by adding er to the adjective or using a more before the adjective. Adjective, tall. Comparative, taller. Example, John is taller than Mike. Adjective, interesting. Comparative, more interesting. Example, this book is more interesting than that one. Introduction to superlatives. Superlatives are used to describe the highest degree of something among three or more items. We form superlatives by adding est to the adjective or using the most before the adjective. Adjective, tall. Superlative, tallest. Example, John is the tallest person in the group. Adjective, interesting. Superlative, most interesting. Example, this book is the most interesting of all the books I've read. Here are some quick rules and exceptions to keep in mind. One-syllable adjectives, add er and est. For example, fasta becomes a faster and fastest. Two-syllable adjectives ending in y, change y to er or iest. For example, happy becomes happier and happiest. Two-syllable adjectives not ending in y and longer adjectives, use a more and a most.
For example, beautiful becomes more beautiful and most beautiful. Using more with one-syllable adjectives. For example, saying more taller instead of taller. Confusing more interesting with interesting. The correct form is more interesting for adjectives with more than two syllables. Great job today! Understanding comparatives and superlatives will help you describe and compare things more effectively. Before we finish, here's a quick list of additional examples for comparatives and superlatives. Feel free to pause and review these examples. Practice using them to get more comfortable with comparatives and superlatives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content.